Snapshot Videos. The Video Snapshot function allows you to record a scene's audio-video content. Note that in order to respect your remote counterpart's privacy and confidentiality, he or she will be asked to authorize the video recording before it starts. The flow goes as follows. When clicking on the video recording icon, you will see a message displayed in red saying, "Waiting for the remote user to allow recording of the scene." At the same time, your remote counterpart will see a pop-up message indicating that you would like to record the scene. Your counterpart will have the option of allowing or not allowing the recording. Each time a user clicks on the video recording icon in the scene menu, the remote user will be asked for a similar authorization. To avoid having to authorize the recording of a scene every time, the remote user can select the Allow Recording of Other Scenes During This Session Without Asking Permission Again option. Once this option is selected, no further recording authorization pop-ups will appear. This will only be valid for the duration of the session that is taking place. When a new session is started, the authorization process is reset and the remote user will once again have to authorize any scene recordings that their counterpart initiates. Once your counterpart has allowed a scene recording to take place, the status bar on top of the scene menu will change from blue to red for both users, indicating that active video recording is in progress. The owner of the scene can stop the recording at any time by closing the scene window. If the remote user closes a scene you initially shared, the video recording will continue. On the other hand, if you're recording a scene that was shared by the remote user and the remote user unshares or closes the scene, the video recording will automatically stop and the asset will be placed in your snapshot gallery. More than one scene can be recorded simultaneously. What will determine the maximum number of concomitant scenes that can be recorded is your computer's performance. A computer with less processing power may slow down and underperform when more than one scene is recorded at the same time, whereas a computer with more processing power will be able to record several scenes simultaneously without a decrease in performance. When a scene is being recorded, make sure that it is not minimized. Any action that makes the scene not visible on screen during a session will result in the video recording becoming temporarily black while the scene is no longer visible. A scene will temporarily disappear from the screen in the following cases: when it is minimized, when the user goes in face-to-face mode, and when the user opens the Reacts library during a session. Let's look at an example. Video recording of a scene is started. While the recording is taking place, the scene is minimized for a few seconds. It is then restored. This is followed by the user opening the library to add a new picture to the quick pick area. After a few seconds, the video recording is stopped. Now let's watch the video recorded while these actions took place. The initial video recording looks great until the moment when the user minimized the scene during active recording. At the time corresponding to when the scene is minimized, the video recording is black. When the scene is restored, the scene recording is adequate until the moment corresponding to when the user opened the library to place an image in the quick pick area. At that time, the scene is again no longer visible on screen, and the corresponding video recording is therefore black. Note that when placing an additional scene over one that is already being recorded, recording of the scene underneath is not impaired. As long as a scene being recorded is not minimized and remains on the screen, the video recording of that scene will remain intact. When a scene recording is stopped, the recorded video snapshot will automatically appear in the snapshot gallery on the left side of the interface, along with any still snapshots taken during the session. The video snapshots are identified by a small blue film icon in the lower right corner of the snapshot thumbnail, making it easy to differentiate video snapshots from stills snapshots. Note that right after the video recording of a scene is completed, the video is encoded to an MP4 format and is then synchronized with your Reacts account in the cloud. The process usually takes only a few seconds for short videos, but will take longer if the duration of the video recording is longer or if multiple scenes have been recorded simultaneously. Keep in mind that synchronization time is directly related to the speed of the internet connection of both users. Once the videos are in the snapshot gallery, right-clicking on a video snapshot will give you the options of removing the asset, renaming it, adding a note to it, or sending it by email. Just like still snapshots, video snapshots are not only automatically saved to your snapshot gallery's quick pick area, but also to your Reacts library in a folder that is named by recording date by default. The videos recorded will therefore be stored in your Reacts library and will be available for your review at any time. From the library, you will be able to save a video recording to your computer or any other external media by clicking on the desired video and then clicking on the small Save to Computer icon to the right of the video. To adjust the desired duration, resolution, and other options of the video snapshot, click on the small blue downward arrow located just beside the video snapshot icon. This will open the video snapshot settings box. First, you can set the duration of the video snapshot. Various choices are offered. You can choose a set predetermined recording duration. When doing so, the recording will last for exactly the duration chosen. For example, if you choose a duration of 5 seconds when you start the recording, and the recording will stop after 5 seconds. You can also decide to choose the on-click option to manually control the moment the recording starts and stops. When this option is chosen, recording will start when you manually click on the recording icon and will stop when you manually click on the stop button. Finally, you can also decide to choose the custom video duration. This will allow you to enter the custom duration you would like. Once the recording is started, it will last for the exact duration chosen. Note that even if a specific recording duration has been chosen, you can end the recording at any time by clicking on the stop button. The second setting that you can adjust is the video resolution. Choices are simple: high, medium, and low resolution. If storage space and bandwidth are not a problem, you can choose the high video resolution option. The resulting video file will be of optimal quality. If you choose the medium resolution option, the resulting video file will be of good quality. Finally, if you choose the low video resolution option, the resulting video file will be of fair quality. The third setting that you can adjust is the frame rate. By default, the frame rate is set at 30 frames per second, which will provide a video with smooth flowing motion. If desired, you can set the frame rate at a lower speed. The fourth setting that you can adjust is the audio recording. By default, audio recording is on, and all the audio you hear during your Reacts session will be captured. If you decide that you do not want any audio in the video snapshot, just toggle the selector to No.